Hello friends! Today I'm going to share my weekly hair care routine. I shared on my stories that I wash my hair once a week and I got flooded with messages on how I do it, what products I use, how my hair doesn't look like a greasy mess. So I'm going to share all the things and teach you how I do it because it makes my life so much easier, and I actually feel like it's helped my hair get healthier and healthier since I have been doing this routine. So let's jump right into it. First of all, I use the Olaplex shampoo and conditioner. It's the number 4 and number 5 from the Olaplex system, whatever it is, line. I love these. They are fantastic. By far my favorite shampoo and conditioner I've ever used. I feel like it's helped my hair get healthier, and it also helps my hair not get as greasy. I shampoo twice with the shampoo. I also do rub my hands together before I apply it into my hair. It kind of helps it suds up a little bit and get a little bit deeper into my scalp. It's amazing. You're gonna love it if you try it. And then the conditioner, I just apply my conditioner from mid to ends so it doesn't get on my scalp. I usually just apply it in the shower from here to here, so keeps your scalp from looking greasier for longer. Then after I wash my hair, I will let it mostly air dry, if not all the way air dry. While it is damp, I will apply these 2 products. I will apply the Olaplex Bonding Smoother. This is amazing. It's a leave-in conditioner. It helps my hair look smooth and shiny. If my hair ever looks shiny and you guys ask what I do, it's usually this. And then the Olaplex Bonding Oil. It's number 7. It's amazing. I go through these like crazy because I use them non-stop. So I'll use this when my hair is damp. I also use it as a heat protectant, so anytime before I curl my hair or if I blow dry it randomly, I'll use this. And I also use it every single night. Every night I'll put it on from the mid to ends, and I'll just show you how I apply that. This, especially if you have long hair, it keeps your hair looking super healthy, and it helps it not get as damaged because a lot of times our natural oils won't get all the way down to our ends, so you do have to apply oil to keep your ends healthy from splitting and all of that stuff. So I'll just apply it all over my ends and in the midsection of my hair. Every single night I do this, and then anytime before I do heat. I feel like this makes a huge difference. It also just makes your hair look so shiny and smooth, which I love. So those are my Olaplex products. As far as curling my hair goes, I try to curl my hair just once a week. So I'll wash it, I'll air dry it, and then I'll curl it. I use a curling iron. I'll link the one I use below. It's a 1 1/4. And then I will just curl it, and I do sleep on a silk pillowcase. I'll link my favorite blow. It makes a huge difference in your hair not frizzing and curl lasting. At least it does for me. I notice a huge difference when I don't use it. And I actually invested in a really nice high quality silk pillowcase because it made such a difference. So I link my favorite below. I'll also link a cheaper option, but if you do not already use one, switch. It's a game changer. You will absolutely love it. So wash my hair every Saturday, curl it the day after I wash it, usually on Sunday for church. And then I use these products. Now, usually on the 3rd day, I will use this dry shampoo. Absolute favorite dry shampoo ever. If you're going to be a girl who does a weekly hair routine, I highly suggest investing in a nicer, better, healthier dry shampoo rather than just a cheap one from Walmart. This is gonna have less chemicals. It's not gonna clog your pores in your scalp, which is very important if you're only washing your hair once a week. So this is one of my favorites. It's the Chlorine dry shampoo with oat milk. It is phenomenal. I usually use this on the 3rd day of my hair, and it makes my hair like brand new. Like I just washed it. It's insane. It's the best I've ever used. I'll link it below for you guys. Shout out to the Rambling Redhead for mentioning it and convincing me to try it, because seriously a game changer. You'll never go back to anything else. And other than that, if I do touch up my hair and I'm gonna curl it, or I have like an event or something, I do try to just touch up the front. That way I'm not putting more heat on my hair. Obviously, the more heat you put on your hair, the more damage you're gonna cause. And I'm trying to get into a routine where I do less heat, I wash it less, I put less products on it. If I do want to just kind of give myself a little more volume, my other favorite product to use, and sometimes if I use or if I part my hair in the middle after I wash it, I'll use this a lot just in the root. And it is the Navy Pebble Beach Spray. Love it. This does help my hair not to get as greasy, I feel like, and it gives it more body, especially on that like 3rd, 4th day when it starts to kind of flatten out. Use this. It's amazing. I will just take it and I'll just kind of spray it up. Well, I just locked it. Sorry. Let me fix it. I'll spray it up against the way my hair's going, and it just kind of gives it more volume. It's so good. It smells insanely delicious too, so bonus points for that. And then it gives your hair a little bit more volume again, like it's fresh and clean and just washed. So that's basically my routine. Before I do wash it though, I will say I will usually do a ton of oil in it the night before I know I'm gonna wash. Just let it really, really soak into my hair. This will keep it healthy, and then I will really roughly brush my scalp to kind of exfoliate any just like loose scalp dandruff, and also any dry shampoo or anything that's laying against it. This also helps break it up so that when you do wash it, it is ready to all get clean and amazing. Again, wash twice with your shampoo to make sure all of the product and also your scalp is fully cleaned, and that's about it. So if you have any questions, leave them below. If I left anything out, leave it below. If you are transitioning to trying to wash your hair less, I highly recommend just trying to push yourself an extra day. I used to wash my hair every other day. It was so much work, such a hassle. Don't recommend. Just push yourself an extra day and slowly work up to a week. A week is my like happy place. I like it the best. My hair looks pretty good. Usually on the last day, I will wear my hair in like a low bun or a messy bun because I just don't want to deal with it, and it does look kind of dirty. But things like that are your best friend. We have tons of videos on amazing messy buns, low buns, sleek low ponytails. I do those all the time to keep my hair looking fresh even when it is dirty. So I'll try to link some of those videos below for you guys that are amazing for when you do have that 3rd, 4th, 5th day hair. So let me know what you think, and if you have any questions, just leave them below. I will try to get down there and answer them all for you. Thanks for watching.